Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was exploring the web recently and stumbled upon an incredible platform that I just had to share with you all. And that is Vipas.AI, a game-changing tool in the world of artificial intelligence. So, you guys are thinking, what is Vipas.AI and why this is so special than other websites? Let me explain. Vipas.AI is an advanced platform designed to make the deployment and management of AI models and applications as straightforward as possible. By bridging the gap between complex AI technologies and everyday use. It is perfect for data scientists, developers, and anyone interested in exploring generative AI solutions. Whether you're into creating, sharing, or discovering AI models, Vipas.AI offers a seamless environment where innovation meets practicality. Now let's dive into the video where I'll showcase the website features that I absolutely love. First, head to the sign up page and fill in your details: username, email address, and password. Then, tick the checkbox and click register. You'll receive a verification email at your registered address. Once verified, you'll be signed in automatically. Next, head to the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it, then select account. You'll be redirected to a page where you can easily update your personal details, like your phone number, address, or social links. Then, click update. Now let's talk about this website features.so. Click on search, and as you can see, a variety of models and apps. Let's open any one. How about the Mosaic app? As the name suggests, this app transforms images into stunning mosaic art. As mentioned in the description, you can easily use this in your program. The steps are provided, so you can just copy, paste, and integrate it into your code. But before you do that, let's first test this app to see if it really works. For that, scroll to the top and click on the Run button. Wait a few seconds. Now the page is opened. You'll see a button named Browse Files. Click on it and choose an image. I'm going with a lion, but feel free to pick anyone you like. Next, click Open, and then hit the Convert Image button. You'll notice the process running at the top right. Just wait a few seconds. And there you have it. The picture is ready, and you can also compare with the real one, which is such a great thing. Now let's go back and choose the other one. Which one should we choose? One more thing, you can also differentiate apps and models with these two buttons. If you want only model, then click on models, and if you want apps, then click on apps. Okay, then let's choose this image classify app and check what it can do. From the name, I think it can predict names of the things which is in the images. Let's check first, and as you can see in the description, we can use API to use in our program. And that's correct. As you can see, this will predict the images, and that's cool. Let's try and find out for that. Let's move to top and click on Run button. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's finally done. Now we have to upload the image, same as before. I'm going to upload the guitar image and check that if it can tell me about it or not. You can choose whatever you like, then click on Open, and as you can see, it written that we have to click on Classify. Okay, then let's click on it. And you can see it start predicting the image and processing. Let's wait a few seconds. Finally, it's done. And the prediction was correct. It's an acoustic guitar, so it means the app works absolutely fine. And now let's go back. Now I have to show you something. As you can see, there is some prices showing what it means and why it's showing. So basically they are paid, and you can also upload your own model and earn from them. Let me give you a step-by-step method how to do it. But before that, let me show you some pricing about this website. As you can see, there are some models are free and some of them are paid, and you can also earn from them using this website. Then let's move to steps of uploading the modal. As you can see, there are more options like how to use, how to monetize, and how they give you benefits. Now, without wasting the time, let's move to uploading the modal.
To create a modal, start by clicking on the image to upload your thumbnail. Next, give your project a name. I'll call mine Moses Generator. Now, select the type as modal and move on to the category. Choose one that fits your project. I'll go with image enhancement. For permissions, set them according to your needs. I'm setting mine to private for everything. Once that's done, add a detailed description of your modal, explaining its purpose, how it works, and any preferences users should know about. You can not only edit text in the HTML editor, but also use additional options to enhance your content. Let's start with the MIC button. Just click it and say, speech recognition is working totally fine. As you can see, it really works well. Now, let's try some more options. For instance, you can make text bold. Let's try making something italic, or even add an underline. As you can see, there are many more formatting options available to help you write a blog post, an about a page for your app, or even create a modal. I'll quickly edit mine in HTML and paste the code, which looks like this. Afterward, select the checkbox and hit Create, then click Next. You'll see a confirmation message that we've successfully created the modal. Now, let's move to the next page where we'll integrate the modal. First, choose a framework and fill in the necessary details. Once done, upload the modal file. I'll speed through this part. Click Upload. And as you can see, the file has uploaded successfully. Next, click on Build, and then Next. On this page, you'll add the processor for your modal from GitHub. You'll need to provide the repository link and the PAT, personal access token. Once you click Pull, the file will be automatically retrieved. Now, click Build again and Next. Review the details, then hit Finish. You'll notice the modal has entered the staging phase. Once staging is complete, click the 3 dots in the Actions section and choose Launch. It might take a little time, so let's move on to creating an app. For this, repeat the initial steps, upload an image, name it. I'll use the same name, Moses Generator, but this time, set the type to app, and select a relevant category. Adjust the permissions. I'm setting mine to public this time, and notice the option to set a price appears. You can earn money when someone uses your app, and I'll set my price to $4, not much, but it's a start. In the Authorized Modal section, add the modal ID from the one we created earlier. Let me quickly copy the ID and paste it here. Now, add the description and details, check the terms and conditions, and click Create, and then Next. On this page, just like before, add your app code repository link and PAT token, then click Pull. Once it's done, click Build and Next. You'll see that my app is now staging, and after that, click the 3 dots and launch it. Once your app is live, click the 3 dots again and choose Open to see how it looks. Let's test it by uploading an image. Click Browse Files, choose any image. And watch as it transforms into a stunning mosaic artwork. It looks incredible. I'll include the link to my app in the description for you to try it out. Now, let me show you the payment section. Whenever someone uses your modal or app, you'll earn money. You can request a payout once your balance reaches $500, which is a fairly low threshold, making it easier to cash out. That's how you can create a modal and an app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. One more thing, the company is hosting a hackathon. If you're ready to showcase your talent, head over to the website. You'll find a poster on the homepage, click on it, register for the hackathon, and you're all set. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Please subscribe our channel and comment your favorite part and thoughts about this video. I love to hear them. And also, if you have any doubt regarding the video, please comment. I will reply as soon as possible and try to answer your questions. Okay, then see you guys in the next video, and follow me on Instagram also.